Hi, and welcome back to another Ginger in Japan video. Today we'll be doing a Paydirt / panning kit review as found on Amazon. It's the Gold Rush Paydirt. This was $39.99 with free shipping since I have Amazon Prime. You get a 12-inch pan, a snuffer vial, a big old glass vial, a scale, and a pound of Paydirt. There is guaranteed to have gold, but however, no guaranteed weight. So let me get this Paydirt opened, and then we'll do the review at the end. Stay tuned. All right, we are back, and that's what a pound of Paydirt looks like. That's in my Garrett small pan. That pan definitely has to be seasoned, and I haven't taken the time to season it yet. And maybe I'll do a video on how to season a pan. With that would be a good example. Definitely want to get our material wet. I did not classify. I figured there wasn't too much. I'm not really expecting much in this Paydirt for what you buy. They're probably you're thinking you're made it out with the pan and the snuffer bottle and all that stuff, but hopefully they surprise me and it's a lot of gold in here. But like I said, I'm not expecting much, especially with it kind of being like a commercialized television show. Once again, not a sponsored video. Paid for this out of my own money. If there's a Paydirt or maybe even a panning kit that you would like me to review, please leave your comments down below. And I know it's just a couple days after 4th of July, but once again, happy birthday, America. Not too many black sands. That's always, I mean, depending on, this is meant for a beginner panner, so I can see why they wouldn't put a whole bunch of black sands. But well, I'm already seeing some color. A little aggressive there with my swoosh. Anyway, not sure if you can see it, but all right up in there. So let me get this out, dried, weighed, and then I'll be back to give you my point of view from my standpoint. Stand by. All right, we are back, and I'm going to use their scale first just to see how much it weighs. I already tared it out with the little pan. That's all of it. So it's saying 0.11 grams. Now let's put it over here. And it says 0.0 98, and we'll go with that. All right, now I am going to take out I probably should have done this just to see how much this scale is off, because I have a feeling this scale is off. So that's a 10-gram weight. It says it's not. So, all right, we'll go with point. We'll go with 0.100. And stay tuned for my review. All right, we are back, and this is my final review for the panning kit. With it being 0.10 grams of gold, it's about $4 worth of gold. And for it being $39.99, I feel that you personally probably get a better kit if you just bought the GingerInJapan Deluxe Gold Kit. You get 3 pans, a classifier, 2 vials, a tweezer, a couple books on how to pan and what to look for and everything. Obviously you're paying for the name of Gold Rush and the television hype. And just to give you an example, so this is the gold vial that they give you, and if you're new to panning, you're gonna think like, oh wow, I'm gonna get this much gold out of this kit, and no. So got 7 pieces of gold out of that whole 1 pound thing. And just an equivalent, this is my little vial of gold since I've been doing the Paydirt reviews. So this would be 11 Paydirt reviews, and that's the total amount of gold. So you do the math on how long it's going to take you to fill up this vial, unless you have some serious panning. Obviously years and years of Paydirt reviews if you're going to fill this thing up compared to that. You know, this is about 5 grams, maybe a little more, a little less of gold. And this probably holds at least an ounce. I would, if I was a betting man. Once again, this is not a sponsored video. This is just my 2 cents. Take it for what you wish. The GingerInJapan Super Sluice is still my favorite pan. It's too big to fit in that sake barrel, but that is definitely my pan of choice whenever I'm panning. So. Thank you for watching. Please leave your comments. If you disagree with my review, by all means, please leave your comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. If you agree with it as well, I'd love to hear from you. And if you have any other panning kits or Paydirt review that you would like me to review, or Paydirt that you would like me to review, please leave your comments. Make sure you're subscribing, hit that like button, and hit that bell, please, so that when I upload my Paydirt reviews every Saturday morning at 8 o'clock, you get notified. Thanks for watching. Till next time.